Yeah, belum nakah. My name is Vilive Miramira, 24 years old. Started playing rugby when I was 10 years old back in my village. And play in the Malokatsi tournament, but didn't. And then come to Vilive, and then join Vilive College, represent the school at under 17 grade in the Dean's competition, but didn't make it to the international stage. So after I finished my Form 7, and then I joined the Nandi Rugby, represent the Nandi under 20 team, and then get into the high performance program, represent the Fiji under 20. Then play for the Nandi senior team, and then into the Fiji Warriors, and then got signed by the Fijian Drua. Yeah, I had when I was a small kid, I used to watch our national team, especially the Sevens boys, and I always dreamt of becoming a pro rugby player, but my dad and my mom didn't agree with my decision of getting to rugby, so they said for me to just continue with my study until I finished my year 13. I just told them that I didn't want to go further on. I'm getting bored sitting in the classroom, so I just try other things. Always God always said other plans was it. So try rugby, and then when I joined under 20, then they started supporting me, and from there till now, yeah, I think so. But when I made it to the national team, and they realized that rugby is also can bring money and food to the table, so they started supporting me from then. Some other challenges, because I came from a poor family background. It's just financially, the financial thing, and also the injuries. Just my family and where I came from. I'm the only. I would say I'm the first person in my village to don the white jumper. So yeah, it's my family and where I came from. One of my biggest goal right now is to be part of 2027 Rugby World Cup team. That's my goal right now, and also got a few years for Drua, and if there's any chance to go overseas and pursue my career there, I'll take the opportunity. Yeah, in my position there's a lot of big names, especially like our captain and Elia, Titi, and some other boys. For me, it's just every day coming for training and trying to be better than yesterday, better than myself, work on my mistakes, and yeah, every day I come in just trying to be better than yesterday. As I said before, always get away from your comfort zone and integrity, every small thing you do.